Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
we
wabarakatuh.
are from second group and we will explain material about internal knowledge. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Siva Wulan as moderator and my friend is Anissa as presenter. Uh, we have material about internal knowledge. Wait a minute. We have four material. The first is word translation. The second is professional pride. The third, income. The fourth, enjoyment. The first material will be explained by Nisa. Nisa, time is.
Okay, thank you for moderator. I will explain about word translation. Translator and interpreters are precarious and omnivorous readers, people who are typically in the middle of 4 books at once, in several languages, fiction and non-fiction, technical and humanistic subject, anything and everything. So, translator is a profession whose job is to change written words from one language to another, ranging from popular culture text to various important documents. Next. For professional pride, the areas in and through which translator typically take professional pride are reliability, involvement in the profession, and then ethics. The first, reliability. Reliability in translation is largely a matter of meeting the user's needs. And the second, involvement in the profession. This involvement sometimes helps translators translate better, which is important for users and thus for the pride we take in reliability. And then ethics. The professional ethics of translation have traditionally been defined very broadly. It is unethical for the translator to distort the meaning of the source text. Maybe just enough. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And thank you, Anissa. And next, the material will be explained by me. Okay. I can tell you the income. Well, income most professional translation, like most professionalism of any file, feel that they don't make enough money and would like to make more. There are at least three ways to do this. Two of them towards trying that. Third, long term translation faster especially, but not exclusively if you are a friendly. Income consists of the first is speed. Speed for in-house translation, the link between speed and money are considerably less obvious. Most in-house translations are explained to translation phase, so that employment that income is complex and related. Okay, the second is translation. With translation memory software. Many friendly translator and agency increase translation speed through the process and use translation memory, or we can say TM software. Their program notability trade OD translation work about at least Dejavu, IBM Translation Manager, Start Translated, and Solids. Okay, the third is project management. Another effective way to increase your income is to create your own agency. Most agency owners do not, in fact, immediately begin learning more money that they did as friendly. Building up a substantially takes time. After years, a successful agency owner uh, may use their what is it of is many in just years like that. And the fourth is rising the status of the profession. This long-range goals is quickly difficult to deal with in the textbooks of this sort, but it would not be forgettable in discussion of uncannily the translation income. Some business consultants become millionaires by performing cold plus service that are not usually to pay anything for it and they pay the going rate. So they hit anyone they can find who going rate so that who going rate can find out a described outcome of the work done by translation association and universe translation program improves to fact, rise, and translation income. And enjoyment. I will explain enjoyment. Pleasure in the work will motivate the medicated translation to purpose her or his reliability and speed. Boredom or disdain in the work will be even a highly compensation translation sloppy and unability. The fundamental assumption underlying the book's approach to translation might be assumption of the following list of the sum. The first is translation is more about people than about the words. The second, is more about the job people and the way they see their world that it's about registers or design system. The third, translation is more about the creative imagination that it is about rule like government text analysis. Four, the translation is more like an actor musicality or a performance that like a type record. And the last is the translation even of high technical text is more like a poetry or a novelist that like a machinist translation system. Okay, that's all for me. I bring back to myself. Thank you. That's all for our group. Semoga bermanfaat. Jika ada pertanyaan, silakan di komentar dan absen juga di komentar. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.